2008 was the year Sprout wanted to add more shows to its lineup. Of course, last year they had a hit with Musical Mornings and Sunny Side Up show, as well as the Let's Go show. And also that year we met Patty, Vicky, and Kirstie Ell on the Sprout Chang show. But back then, Sprout was still a small channel. And how do you make a small channel get bigger? By adding more shows, of course. And Sprout tried just that in summer 2008 with the launch of Summer Fun Fridays, a block that aired from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Shows airing during Summer Fun Fridays include Brambly Hedge, Percy the Pugkeeper, Panwappa, and Jim Henson's Francis. It was also during Summer Fun Fridays that Sprout would take viewers' drawings of them doing a summer activity such as catching fireflies or eating ice cream and show them on TV as animated mini-movies. Also during Summer Fun Fridays, Sprout held a contest in which weekly winners will receive a pure digital camcorder and will be announced on the Sunny Side Up show. The shows on Summer Fun Fridays rarely aired after that, but Panwappa remained up on the Sprout website. Some of the shows were there for New Year 2009, and Brambly Hedge aired for Thanksgiving that year. And a clip from Francis was even included in Sprout's Newsathon. And after that, Sprout would never air an event like Summer Fun Fridays again, except in 2013 and 2014, it aired Summer Splash and the First Day of Summer. Both events featured viewers' drawings. Well, anyway, Sproutlets, that's all I have for now. Bye!